Do you want to reset a TP-Link router? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Use reset button. A factory reset will erase all custom settings and restore the router's factory settings. You will need to configure your router after the reset again. To reset a TP-Link router to factory settings, you can use the reset button on the back of the router or the router's web interface. Here is how you can reset the router using the reset button. To reset the router, keep your router plugged in. Find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on. Method 2. Use web interface. Log into the router's web interface. To log into a TP-Link router's web interface, open a web browser and type this or this into the address bar. The links are provided in the description below, so you can copy and paste them from there. The default username and password for most TP-Link routers is admin for both fields. Enter that when prompted. Then navigate to the advanced option. Then select System Tools. Then select the Backup and Restore option. Next, you should get the Factory Defaults Restore option, so select that. Click on Factory Restore and wait for the router to reboot. When you reset a TP-Link router to factory defaults, it will return to its original settings, deleting all your personalized settings, including your Wi-Fi name and password. It makes your Wi-Fi network inaccessible until you reconfigure your network. You should only perform a hard reset if you have backed up your settings or can reconfigure the device. After resetting your router following the methods shown, you will need to reconfigure the device from scratch. Then create a new administrator password, set your Wi-Fi network name and password. Now you can reset or reconnect your internet by visiting your router's configuration page. And there you have it, the way to reset a TP-Link router. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.